Every masterpiece starts as a simple pile of plastic beads, thousands of tiny pellets, each one barely larger than a grain of rice. But inside Lego's factories, these tiny grains enter a world of heat, precision, and engineering discipline, where molten plastic becomes the perfectly shaped bricks used in millions of sets around the world. From high-speed molding machines, to laser-powered quality inspections, to robotic stress tests simulating years of play, this is one of the most precise manufacturing systems ever created. Today, we're following a Lego brick from its humble beginning as a plastic pellet, all the way to retail shelves across the globe. This is the story of Lego's high-tech production system. The journey begins with ABS plastic pellets. ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It's strong, durable, and perfect for Lego's strict engineering standards. These pellets are stored in massive silos before being transported through automated systems directly to molding machines. But Lego doesn't just buy any plastic. The company tightly controls the composition of its material to ensure every brick meets the same standards worldwide. Why? Because Lego bricks made today must still fit perfectly with bricks produced decades ago. That level of compatibility requires extraordinary precision. Inside the molding machines, the pellets are heated to temperatures of nearly 230 degrees Celsius. The plastic melts into a thick liquid. Then the molten material is injected into steel molds under extremely high pressure. Each mold contains the exact shape of the Lego brick being produced. Within seconds, the plastic cools, the mold opens, and perfectly formed bricks drop out. Each molding machine can produce thousands of pieces per hour, but production speed isn't Lego's greatest achievement. Precision is. Once the bricks leave the mold, they enter one of the most advanced quality control systems in toy manufacturing. High-speed sensors scan every piece for microscopic imperfections. Even deviations smaller than a human hair can cause a brick to fail the assembly test. If a piece doesn't meet Lego's standards, it's automatically rejected. This is why Lego bricks connect with such satisfying precision. The company maintains tolerances measured in microns. That's smaller than the thickness of a sheet of paper. Next comes the finishing stage. Some pieces pass through ultrasonic cleaning systems. These high-frequency vibrations remove microscopic particles left behind during molding. Then, robotic stations perform deburring, smoothing any tiny edges that could affect how pieces snap together. The goal is simple. Every Lego brick must be physically identical to its digital design model. No variation, no compromise, just perfect interlocking geometry. Before the pieces leave the factory, they undergo stress testing. Robotic arms repeatedly snap bricks together and pull them apart, thousands of times. These tests simulate years of play in just minutes. If the brick cracks, warps, or loses its grip strength, the design is adjusted before mass production continues. This durability testing is one reason Lego bricks can survive generations of use. Once the pieces pass inspection, they move to automated sorting systems. Different bricks are combined into the exact combinations required for each Lego set. Robots package the pieces with instructions in boxes. Then the finished products move into Lego's global distribution network, from factories in Denmark, Hungary, Mexico, China. Lego sets ship to retailers and customers around the world. Millions of sets, every year. Lego bricks may look simple, but behind every piece lies an extraordinary manufacturing system. A system built on precision engineering, relentless quality control, and global logistics. From plastic pellets, to molten plastic, to perfectly engineered bricks. Lego has transformed toy manufacturing into a masterpiece of industrial design, and that's why, decades later, those tiny bricks still snap together perfectly. Subscribe to uncover the hidden systems behind the products we use every day, because behind every great brand is a supply chain legend.